Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting that notification bell near the red subscribe button. So as we proceed, these are the bi-monthly readings for the next half of September, and they are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your moon sign and your name sign. Okay. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Cancerians. What has happened, starting with the Tower. Oh, followed by the Ten of Cups, Page of Cups. Oh, something good seems to be there. Wow, Chariot, Eight of Cups, the Star. Wow, the Eight of Wands, the Two of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Wow, two chariots, Seven of Spades. We have the Chariot here and the Chariot here, and Chariot represents your own sign. So let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Okay, so Cancerians, this Tower seems to be a good one, though I was a little like it's reading starting with the Tower, but I think it is giving you some there is some unexpected happiness coming your way. Okay, some unexpected news is coming your way. Somebody unexpectedly may be offering you love or opening up or whatever, which is going to give you a lot of happiness, and it is commitment. It is commitment, it is emotional fulfillment, it is stability. This person has good intentions, this person is not trying to fool you or try to make a whatever. Okay, so this is something unexpected which is happening, and someone is opening up to you and giving you a commitment, probably at least a commitment, if not actually a marriage proposal or something, but yes, it is a step towards that. Okay, and here with the Chariot, things start moving ahead in a pretty good way. You take the charge, things start moving in a, it's totally action. You are taking charge over here, very happy, moving towards your wish fulfillment. Your wishes are being fulfilled. Whatever tensions you had, whatever agony, misery, upset, whatever was there in your life, it's all going away, it's all vanishing. And with the Chariot and the Star as the major arcanas, you are moving towards wish fulfillments. You are and the thing is that the things start happening pretty fast. It's not something slow, it is something which is going to give you a lot of happiness, and it is going to happen fast. Here with the Tower, it is unexpected, and with the Chariot, things move pretty fast, leading to wish fulfillment. You are moving away from whatever unhappiness was there in your life. You are moving away from that. And here with the Eight of Wands, there is a lot of communication which is coming in. A lot of communication is happening. Okay, and but here with the Two of Swords and the Three of Pentacles, what I feel here is that you decide to move in a certain direction, and what I feel here is that your wishes are fulfilled. Now you sort of do something, or as it's like now, okay, now my this family thing is settled, I need to do this, something like that. This is what I need to do, this next step forward, because now you are well equipped. Okay, so you are ready to take a new journey, at least that's what I can say. If it is all about this only, it can be something different. Okay, okay, this commitment is there, now everything is settled, I need to now move to my work, I need to get back to my work, I need to do this. It can be that also, or it can be something that you are ready to move towards a new journey of life. If it is commitment and family, that is what you are deciding to move towards, and there is a lot of communication which is there regarding this further movement or this further journey of your life, whatever it is. And here you are discussing it with your trustworthy people, your friends, your family, whosoever they are. But you are here ready to make a move, ready to move ahead in some direction, but there is something which needs to be sorted out over here, because I see you waiting over here, so you want to move towards it. It's a new journey, but it requires some sort of clarity perhaps, or there is something which requires some sort of weight, or analysis as to how to move, weighing of the pros and cons perhaps, or which is the right direction. Yeah, that is the more appropriate word. You need to discuss this with, and that is why you are discussing. Okay, so there is some decision over here which is requiring you to wait a little and make up your mind, or discuss as to which direction to move ahead in. It's something like that. So there is something which is, let me see if I can get some more. I don't take, sorry, I forgot, I don't take the pop-up cards. So let's see. So here we have the Queen of Wands, the Ten of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So there is completion of something. There is completion of something. Something, whatever this direction you are wanting to move towards, and taking your time, discussing with your friends, family, whosoever is concerned. And once you are able to do that, you are sitting pretty cool over here, ready to take action. That's what I'm getting, towards this new beginning. You are ready to, after this discussion, you are well equipped and ready to make a move towards this new beginning. And you are, whatever this negativity was, or whatever this obstacle was, you are able to overcome it. That's what I'm getting. You will be able to overcome this, whatever this thing was which was causing this weight perhaps, or which was causing, but there was, I said, some delay over here which was requiring some sort of analysis or discussion or whatever. That is getting over. Maybe it was some past experience which needed to be sorted out, as to, because you have some lessons over there as to, should we do this, should we do that, something like that. Because I think this is some past energy, because you don't want anything negative this time, something like that. And this is with the Ace of Pentacles. You're moving towards a new beginning, which is stable, committed. Okay, yeah. Here with the Seven of Spades, Chariot, definitely things are moving very fast. You're taking charge of things. Two of Thought, your angels have noticed that you are not moving forward. That's what here is happening. You have multiple options that you are reviewing, and you seem to be unable to choose. That's what I said. You are discussing over here, perhaps. Ask your angels for the signs as to which direction to take, or just listen to your inner voice. Listen to your inner voice. You will understand the right answer. Deep down, you know what to do. So, Cancerians, it is something very good. It's giving you happiness. It is giving you stability. So make the best use of this time. Okay, things are moving fast. Things will get rolling. So don't make any mistakes. Just take advantage of the energy and do things which are important for you. Okay, so I just hope it helps, and let's meet in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.